Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious sushi using an easy method. First, we prepare the foundation, the rice. Rinse about 2 cups of sushi rice thoroughly until the water is clear. Then, cook it with 2 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a simple seasoning of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Allow the rice to cool completely to room temperature. This is crucial for perfect rolls. Next, let's prepare our nori and fillings. Lay 1 sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your cooled sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori sheet, leaving a 1-inch strip bare at the top. This space is essential for sealing your roll later. Now, arrange your favorite fillings, such as crisp cucumber or creamy avocado, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Now for the fun part, rolling. Using your bamboo mat, lift the edge closest to you, bringing it up and over your fillings. Tuck everything in tightly, pressing down to form a compact cylinder. Continue rolling forward, applying gentle, even pressure with the mat to ensure a firm, well-shaped roll. Finally, moisten that 1-inch bare strip of nori with a tiny bit of water to seal your sushi roll securely. You're doing great. Our final step is slicing and serving your beautiful sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened slightly with water, to slice your roll into 6 or 8 even pieces. Remember to wipe your knife clean with a damp cloth between each cut. This prevents sticking and ensures clean slices. Arrange your freshly cut sushi pieces neatly on a serving platter. Serve them immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a small dab of wasabi for a perfect culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.